Welcome back to my new video. Today, I want to show you how you can be able to fix widescreen display. At the technician, right here, this is itel phone. You can see it's showing white. Check this out. At the technician, they have not changed the screen before. This is the follow come screen of the phone. Check this out, my dear technician. The first thing I will do is for me to pop out the PCB from the casing. I mean to remove the PCB from the casing. Check this out, my dear technician. First thing, I look for physical damage. I check around. I check it very well. I check deeply. My dear technician, right here, there is corrosion, there is rust. So I clean it. I take my time to do this. Check this out. If you have any question, you are free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, I take my time to do this. I want to make sure that everything right here is clean. Everything on this PCB is clean. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. Please wait. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. Please wait. This phone must work. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. You may ask, Father Joe, why are you taking your time to clean all of this? I'm taking my time to clean so that I will check for physical damage. It's important, okay? Check this out. I take my time to clean so that I will see any physical damage, okay? I want to make sure that I detect the problem and fix it. Now the technician, check this out. Let me turn the phone on again. You can see it's still showing white. Now the technician, the first thing I will do to solve this issue is to remove the screen, okay? I have different methods of solving this issue. So I'll first of all remove the screen. Check this out. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question, let me know. Check this out, my dear technician. It's important. It's important, my dear technician. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. You want to make sure that the phone works, so take your time to do it. So first thing, I start testing. I test the legs, the pins, to be sure that they are working. By the technician, nothing is wrong. They are 100% working. The next thing is for me to fix the screen back. So let me fix the screen back, my dear technician. Nothing is wrong with the legs. Nothing is wrong with the pins. I'm fixing the screen right now. If you have any question, feel free. My dear technician, I'm done with the first method. The first method is removing the screen, checking for physical damage, and also reading the legs to confirm whether they are connected or not. Okay? After I check, nothing is wrong, so I have to fix the screen back and I turn on the phone to see if it works. You can see that it's not working. Check this out. So the next thing is for me to try the second method. Okay? If you have question, let me know in the comment section. So the second method is for me to check capacitors. Okay? I have to check capacitors to see if they are short or not. I'll read them using my multimeter. So check this out. I take my time to read using my multimeter. I read it very well to see nothing is wrong. So I will go for the third method. So this is the third method. The third method is removing the heatsink and go display and check. Check this out, my technician. Like I said, if you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I will be done, my technician. I will be done. I will be done. If you have any question concerning this, you're free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. I will be done, my dear technician. I will be done. Check this out. It's very simple. You should be very, very careful. Check this out. You should be very, very careful, my dear technician. When you want to remove this, please do not apply so much force. Just a little. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Very simple. Please do not spoil anything. Be very, very careful when doing this. Please be very, very careful when doing this. My dear technician, so the next thing is for me to hit the CPU. So this is the third method, okay? You may ask, Father Joe, why are you hitting the CPU? Okay, I'm hitting the CPU because there is an open circuit that is stopping the screen not to show. So I'm hitting the CPU and I'm also shaking the CPU a little bit to make sure that the balls under the CPU connect to the PCB very well. Okay, so if you have any question, you're free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to clean it and then test it to see if it works. So let me do that now. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me test it to see if it works. Please wait. Check this out, it works. It works 100%. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. You can see that it works. My dear technician, all of these are very simple to repair. You can see, very simple. All of these issues are very simple to repair. If you have any question concerning this, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I will answer you. So the next thing is for me to put the heatsink back and couple the phone to give the owner. My technician, to finalize everything, the first method, I remove the screen and I check for physical damage, and there was no physical damage. So I read the legs, the pins, the screen, connector pins. I check, no issue. They are all reading very fine. So I have to fix the screen back and proceed. The second method is for me to check the capacitors on the PCB. I check nothing is wrong, no shorting, they are all reading. The next thing is for me to jump to part 3. The part 3 is for me to remove the heatsink and then heat the CPU. Okay, make sure you use the normal temperature to heat the CPU. Shake it a little bit to connect and you're done. The next thing is for me to turn on the phone and boom, everything works. My dear technician, let me know what you think about this video. If you have gained something, let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, I'm done with the phone. So let me couple the phone and give the owner like I said before. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.